Hey guys, this is my montage on Halo. Here we go. Let's pull some noobs. See how they're newbie they are? They just stand there and I just kill them. Got sniper rifle. Then what I did, so my teammate threw a grenade at me. Wasn't very happy with him. That guy gets dead. That guy died. There's the guy I was playing with. This is the noob that hacks. Because I shot him right in the freaking head and then snipe. And then this is where I have my montage. Here we go. Beat down. Double kill. Triple kill. Overkill. This is the guy that killed me. I have my sword spree. And I missed that guy, which really ticks me off. And then I died. So that's my montage. And bye.